Hey guys, it's Tiffany Riley, and I thought I would do a makeup look on this little look today and everything like that. So I've actually been wearing this look for a couple of days, and I like it, and I think it's I think it's okay and everything. So I thought I would go ahead and show you guys the look. This is actually going to be part of my spring 2020 lookbook because it is almost spring, and I thought I would just kind of do like a little happy color, just a little happy look and everything like that. So, yeah, if you guys recreate any of the looks that I did in the past, just use a hashtag or just use a hashtag tips, whatever season it is, lookbook, and then the year. If you do it, this year, then just use hashtag tips spring lookbook 2020, and I will repost some of my favorites. I would love to see our recreations of each of the looks that I have done in the past, which I may recreate some of my looks just to see how it looks on me now. So anyway, we're going to do this look. It's called At the Water's Edge. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, since I now have a clean face, we are going to go ahead and get started with primer. I am using the Photoready Rose Glow Hydrating and Illuminating Primer by Revlon. Now, as I put this on, I will say that it is a little bit hard to get out. I don't really like this little suction cup thingy because it's definitely, like I said, it's definitely, oh yeah, now you do it. You couldn't do it earlier. I guess it depends on what you do and everything like that. So, let's kind of slather that on. And everything, and just kind of let that dry just a little bit. Alright, and now we're going to take a crease brush. We're going to take a crease brush, and I am taking the Mirage palette by Color Story. And I'm going to take, first of all, I'm going to take the shade St. Barts, and I'm going to place it on the crease. I can get enough of it. We're taking the same brush again, and this time we are going to go into the shade Riviera. And we are going to apply that on top of St. Bart's, just for a bit of shimmer. We're going to take a small eyeshadow brush. This one is from e.l.f. And we are going to take, of course, the same palette. We're going to go in with Sapphire Sky. And we're going to place that on our lid. If it looks messed up, don't worry, we'll go back to cleaning it up later. Next we are going to be taking, instead of eyeliner this time, those who are not, this is perfect for those who are not experienced with eyeliner, I am actually going to be taking liquid eyeshadow and putting it on the lash line right where, right where we put the Sapphire Sky with dark blue. We are going to be taking another dark blue, but in a liquid eyeshadow form. This one is by Starlit Studio. I am not sure what this shade is called, but it's like this dark blue color. So I'm not really sure what it's called. But we're going to actually put this on our lash line. And this is perfect for those who aren't experienced in eyeliner. Or who have trouble, with eyeliner in general. I find that liquid eyeshadow comes in handy because it has a chisel tip like this. So it's very, very easy to control and very easy to apply. At least that's what my opinion is. But yeah, like I said, this is by Starlit Studio, and I don't even know what shade this is. Alright, last thing we're going to be taking is the lips. I'm going to be taking the 2-in-1 Lip Tattoo Lip Line and Fill Duo by Avon in the shade Inked Rose. And I'm actually going to place the liner first. And then I'm going to switch over to the fill. We're going to set all that with the setting spray. This one is by Avon. I'm going to do a few squirts of that. Let that dry. And we are officially done. This is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoy this. Again, if you recreate any of my looks from the past, just use hashtag Tiff's Lookbook. Just use hashtag Tiff's, the season, lookbook, and then the year. And I will repost some of my favorites on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for all your support throughout this year and, of course, the previous years. Keep an eye out for my Patreon because that is coming next month. So if you are subscribed to my newsletter, be sure to keep an eye out because you will actually be the first to know when I launch my Patreon and all that good stuff. You'll also be the first to know when I upload new articles, videos, etc., etc. So just send me your email. Please know that I do handwrite every single newsletter to make it, because that way it makes it more personal for me to connect with you guys and everything like that. So yeah, hope you guys are having an amazing day, night, wherever you are in the world. See y'all later.